Picture this, a sprawling luxury yacht, over 200 feet long, gliding over crystal-clear waters. Its immaculate exterior showcases sleek lines and an expansive sun deck, perfect for lounging under the sun. Inside, the yacht boasts 5 lavish staterooms, each featuring ensuite bathrooms decorated with marble and gold accents. The main salon? A breathtaking area complete with plush seating, a grand piano, and custom artwork adorning the walls. Each evening invites exclusive parties with world-class cuisine prepared by Michelin star chefs, reminding everyone on board of the unparalleled luxury that can only be afforded by the ultra-wealthy.